Hello everyone, welcome back to Beyond Diary. In this video, I'll be showing you how to crochet this turban beanie, and the size is 0 to 6 months. And if you want to see my mock crochet works, so go and check out my Instagram and don't forget to follow my page. So now let's get started. Today I'm using this beautiful soft yarn. It's called Alice Baby Best and it's very suitable for baby products. And the recommended hook sizes are 2 to 4 millimeters. And today I'm using 4mm crochet hook. To start the project, you have to make a magic ring first. So here we made a magic ring. Now from your work chain 2, with that chain 1, total we have chain 3. This chain 3 counting as our first double crochet. Now work 11 double crochets into the same space. So here we made our 11 double crochets with that first chain 3. Total we have 12 double crochets. Now pull that yarn and join this row with a slip stitch. Insert the hook from the third chain from that first chain 3. Pull the yarn and make a slip stitch. So here we made our first row. Now from here work chain 3 and this chain 3 counting as our first double crochet. Now work a double crochet into the same space here. Now work a double crochet into the next chain space here. And work another double crochet into the same space. And continue work 2 double crochets in each chain space till the end. So here we completed our second row. In this row you should have total 24 double crochets. Now join this row with a slip stitch. For that, insert the hook from that third chain from the first chain 3. Now let's move to the third row. Work chain 3. This chain 3 counting as our first double crochet. Now work 2 double crochets into the next chain space here. Now work 1 double crochet into the next chain space. Again work 2 double crochets into the next chain space here. So you have to work like 2 double crochets into the one space and into the next one 1 double crochets and again 2 double crochets into the next one. So complete this row like this and let's meet at the end. So here we reached the last. Now into the last chain we're going to work 2 double crochets. Now join this row with a slip stitch. Insert the hook from that third chain from the first chain 3. So here we done our third row. Now let's move to the fourth row. For that work chain 3, this chain 3 counting as our first double crochet. Now work 1 double crochet into the next chain space. Now work 2 double crochets into the next chain space here. Now work 1 double crochet into the next space and work another double crochet into the next chain space. Now work 2 double crochets into the next chain space. So you have to continue this row like 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets like that. So you have to continue like this till the end, and let's meet at the end. So here we reach the last of this row. So last work 2 double crochet. Now join this row with a slip stitch. Insert the hook from that third chain from the first chain 3. So here we done our 4th row. Now let's move to the 5th one. For that work chain 3. This chain 3 counting as our first double crochet. Now work 1 double crochet into the next chain space. Work another double crochet into the next chain space. So now work 2 double crochets into the next chain space. Now work 1 double crochet into the next chain space and another double crochet into the next chain space. Again work another double crochet into the next chain space. So here we made 1 double crochets in each 3 space. Now work 2 double crochets into the 4th one. So you have to complete this row like 1 double crochet in each chain 3 space and 2 double crochet into the 4th one. So here we done our 5th row. Now we're gonna join this row with a slip stitch. So insert the hook from that third chain from the first chain 3. In this row you should have total 60 double crochets. Now to start the next row, work 3 chains. In this row we are not going to increase anymore, so you have to work 1 double crochet in each chain space. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain from the first chain 3. Okay, here we completed this row. Now you have to do is fold the circle in half and figure out the middle from the front. I think it should become after 30 stitches. So this is my middle from the front part, and now I'm going to add a stitch marker to recognize it. And remember, we always doing slip stitch is the back side and this is the front side. Now let's start the next row. For that, work chain 3 and make a double crochet into the next chain space. Work another double crochet into the next chain space and complete like this. 1 double crochet in each stitch, but you have to stop 1 stitch before stitch marker. So here I made 28 double crochets and here I have 1 stitch remaining before the stitch marker. Now from here work chain 3. Now you have to do skip next chain space and the stitch marker space, and again the next chain space after stitch marker space. Skip all of these 3 chain spaces and make a double crochet into the 4th chain space. Okay, here we're done. Now continue work double crochet in each stitch till the end, and let's meet at the end. Now here we reach to the last. Now make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the 1st chain 3. Okay, now let's move to the next row. For that, work chain 3 and continue work double crochet in each stitch. Also in this place we're going to work 1 double crochet in each of that space. And now again continue work till the end. The next row also the same way. You should work 1 double crochet in each stitch. Continue like this till you reach to the 6-inch length, and let's meet at the end. Here I finished the rows till I reached to the full length of 6 inches. Now chain 1 and cut off the yarn. So this is how it looks like, and I made 7 double crochet rows from here. So now we're going to make the turban effect from the front. So for that you have to make pleats from here like this. Try to make 3 pleats evenly like this, and we're gonna sew this. So here I took a little bit of yarn from this same color and the needle. Now we're gonna stitch from this place. Make sure to keep a little tail, so at the end of the stitching you can easily make a knot. Okay, I finished stitching here. Now cut off the yarn with a little bit tail and now make a knot. So this is how it looks like. Now we have to hide this stitching space. For that, take the yarn again and make a slip knot. Now from here work 15 chains. So here we made 15 chains. Now skip 1 chain from the hook and into the second one make a single crochet. And again work 1 single crochet and continue work single crochet in each stitch till the end. Now move to the second row. For that, chain 1 and turn your work. Again work single crochet in each chain space till the end. So you have to work like this till you have a total of 3 rows. So here I completed third row. Now chain one and cut off the yarn. But make sure to keep a long tail for the stitching. Now we're going to attach this for this hat. So take your hat and wrap around. You had to wrap around like this, and we're going to sew this together. After stitch like this, now we're gonna stitch the big gap up over there. So here we done stitching. Now we're gonna secure the yarn like this. After proper secure, cut off the yarn, and that's it. We done our turban crochet beanie. So this is how it looks like. So I hope you like this video. If you like, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned for more beautiful tutorials.